To free app storage in Outlook is pretty much simple. We first have to navigate to the right corner of our Outlook account, and then with this selected, navigate to Account under Settings and make sure you select on it. And under Account we have Storage, so we're going to proceed to tap on Storage and allow it a bit of moment to finish loading. So this will give us a breakdown of our storage usage. And now for us to free up storage in Outlook, we're going to proceed to tap on the arrow icon beside email storage, and this is going to give us a tons of options under it. So we have the inbox is occupying this number of space, the deleted items, and the junk email. So in order for us to delete anything, we're going to proceed to scroll down a bit, and it's going to give us each folders with the size of storage is occupying and the option to empty it. And if you want to free up space in this storage, all you have to do is proceed to tap on empty, and another option will come whether we want to free up for 3 months and older, 6 months and older, or 12 months and above. In this case, we're going to make it as all. So this is going to give us this prompt whether we want to permanently delete all 12 messages from deleted items. And I'm going to proceed to tap on OK. And you can do it to each and every item you have here. And this is how you can free up storage in Outlook. If you have any question, you can leave it in the comment section. I'll do my best to attend to you. If you enjoyed this video, consider subscribe and give this video a like. See you in the next video.